Hey, 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 Grandma Lou is back for another quick video. I got up this morning and wanted some pancakes or waffles, and I said, let me see what I got. And so I have this Namaste mix made out of the U.S. It's allergen and gluten-free waffle and pancake mix, and it says you just take 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of oil, water, or milk. And of course, Grandma Lou doesn't eat eggs, so I'm going to replace the eggs with the applesauce. And so 1 egg equals like 1/4 cup. And so this will be my 2 eggs, the tree chop applesauce here. And then I have my almond milk poured up is 3/4 cup. And I use the Kirkland almond milk from Costco. And then I have the 2 cups of the Namaste already in the bowl. And so we just essentially mix all of our ingredients, stir it up. And I have my waffle iron heating up. And once we mix everything, we'll be ready to make, it says about 5 to 6 waffles. All right, so I have stirred up all of our ingredients here, and our waffle iron is heated. And essentially, we're gonna spray the waffle iron with a little cooking spray. And I have just some Chef's Life cooking spray here. And just do a little pump. Okay, and I don't know about this 5 to 6 waffles, but I'm gonna take a good spoonful because I like a nice sized waffle. We might get 2 waffles, I think, but we'll see. And I just spoon it over each quarter. And kind of just spoon it over. And maybe 1 more spoon should do it. Okay, so we did about 3 good spoons. And I have a large spoon here, you can see. And then we just let the waffle maker do its thing. It lets you know when it's ready. Okay, so the waffle maker has turned green, which lets us know that the waffle is done. And voila! Ooh, it's how nice and purty. So we're gonna take a fork and help the waffle get out of the waffle iron. And I cut me up some strawberries to add. And I keep a maple butter that I make. I just keep it in my refrigerator. And so I'm gonna put some maple butter, just spoon it over and let it melt on the waffle. And then in addition, I have some maple syrup. And so I'm gonna let this cool, and I'll come back for a taste test. All right, so I am back. I have the lovely waffle, and I went ahead, I don't know if you saw my other videos, I've used this smoked tempeh bacon. It's an alternative, bacon alternative. And of course my strawberries. So let's dig into this waffle. And Grandma Lou just gonna act real country. It's so good. Definitely will make the Namaste mix again. Just like that. Another healthy treat, amazing drink, or something to eat from Grandma Lou. Make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, bye.